Jupiter is the undisputed king of planets, both in size and in its unmistakable role in defending Earth. But you might be wondering, how can a planet over 300 million miles away possibly protect us? That's a colossal question, and trust me, the answer will leave you astounded. First, let's talk about size. Jupiter, aptly named after the king of the Roman gods, is an absolute giant. Imagine this. Jupiter is so enormous, it could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. But it's not just its size that makes it special, it's what that size does. Jupiter's immense gravitational pull is like a celestial vacuum cleaner for the solar system. It attracts asteroids, comets, and all kinds of space debris that could be hurtling toward Earth. Without Jupiter, our planet would be bombarded by up to 100 times more asteroid and comet impacts. Think about that next time you look at the night sky in peaceful wonder. In fact, Jupiter's gravitational pull is so intense that it acts as a sort of cosmic deflector shield. When comets or asteroids come hurtling into the inner solar system, they frequently encounter Jupiter's gravitational field. And what happens? Most get either sucked into Jupiter or flung away into deep space. You might remember the notorious Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet that made headlines in the 1990s. This comet was on a collision course through the solar system until, bam, it was captured and obliterated by Jupiter's gravity. Earth may have been in its crosshairs, but Jupiter, the hero of our solar system, saved the day again. But Jupiter doesn't just capture threats to Earth, it also makes life possible in other, subtler ways. Its gravity plays a role in stabilizing the orbits of other planets, including ours. Our solar system is a finely tuned dance, and Jupiter is like the lead partner, keeping the tempo steady. Without it, Earth's orbit could be more unstable, leading to chaotic climate shifts or even jeopardizing life itself. And let's not forget the incredible influence Jupiter has on the asteroid belt. This vast ring of rocks and debris between Mars and Jupiter could have been a planet itself, but Jupiter's gravity prevented that. Instead, it kept these materials clumped together in a mostly stable region of the solar system. If Jupiter weren't in the picture, it's quite possible that material from the asteroid belt would have frequently struck Earth, leaving our planet far less hospitable to life. Now, while Jupiter may sound like an absolute hero, it's not perfect. Its gravitational influence occasionally has a dark side. For instance, Jupiter can sometimes act as a slingshot, flinging comets from the outer solar system straight towards Earth at breakneck speeds. But don't panic. Those incidents are far less common than the times Jupiter protects us. Here's another jaw-dropping fact. Jupiter emits more energy than it receives from the Sun. How? Well, Jupiter's core is still cooling from its own formation billions of years ago, and this process generates heat. The energy emitted provides a fascinating glimpse into the planet's deep, mysterious interior. Think of it as a glowing cosmic furnace, pulsating in the darkness of space. But Jupiter's relationship with life on Earth goes even further. Ever heard of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons? Europa's frozen surface hides a vast ocean of liquid water beneath. Scientists believe that this ocean might harbor life, making it one of the most exciting targets in the search for extraterrestrial organisms. The presence of water on Europa is partially due to Jupiter's intense gravitational interactions, which generate heat beneath the surface. So ask yourself, could life beyond Earth someday be found thanks to Jupiter's role in our solar system? That's not just science fiction. It's a real, tantalizing possibility. Finally, let's address what really makes Jupiter so special. It stands as a powerful reminder that even in the grand, vast stage of the universe, influences far beyond our understanding conspire in intricate ways to shape and sustain the world we know. Jupiter's gravitational shield, its control over the asteroid belt, and its nurturing of promising moons like Europa are proof of this cosmic choreography. By now, you must be looking at Jupiter a little differently, right? The next time you glance up at the night sky, give a nod to this mighty planet. Without it, Earth might be an inhospitable wasteland, battered by cosmic chaos. Jupiter is far more than a distant gas giant. It's a guardian, a stabilizer, and, perhaps, a silent ally in the search for life beyond our planet. Curious for more? Check out more of my long-form videos now on my channel Science Spark. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.